Hi guys, so I wanted to show you a common issue that you may run into as far as your interior light is concerned. So the front and the back interior light is concerned. So with the older vehicles, that's a Honda 2000 to 2011, somewhat like that, the switch for the interior light works pretty much separate. So what I mean is that you can turn this on and off separately. For the front and the back too, you can turn it on and off, separately. Even when you put it in the middle, which is this one, is the one I'm talking about, the one out there. When you put it in the center or in the middle, when you open the door, you see that the light will turn on for the older vehicle. But for the newer ones, which is like 2016 or up, it's a little bit different. The switches are kind of different. So you cannot turn it on. You cannot open the door and have your lights on if you don't use this feature over here. So basically when you push it all the way up towards me, that is like turning it off. That is to turn it off. And then when you move it forward, that is to turn it on. So in order to have your interior light for the rear turn on whilst you open your door, you need to move this switch forward. And then when you do that, you'll see that when you open the doors, the light will come on. But if not, if it's towards me, which is the off, it's kind of hard to see too. So if it's off and you open the door, you are not going to see that your interior light is on for the rear. So you might think there's something wrong with the vehicle, but it's not. It's just a little bit of, something that you miss out there. So that is the way to control it. Yeah, thanks for watching.